Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid, and you know what time it is. It's cafecito time. Hello everyone, hello coffee lovers out there in YouTube land. This is Veronica from House of Cid, where I make videos on coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and everything from the wonderful world of coffee, because we love coffee, and I hope you love coffee too. Anyways, I'm back with some more coffee videos. I took a little break, just kind of, sometimes you just want to relax and enjoy some time off. And then we had a holiday weekend here in the US. So anyways, I'm back. And now that things are starting to open up, stores are opening up, we have less restrictions due to that little virus that was going on. Thank goodness, everything's getting better. So I've been going out and about more. And the other day I went to some of my favorite stores, which are TJ Maxx, Marshalls, HomeGoods. And if you didn't know, all those three stores are basically owned by the same company, TJX. Anyways, they're like discount retailers that have a lot of good stuff. And the other day I was at HomeGoods, and there's a really nice big one not too far from me. And I wandered through the aisles, and of course I always check out like the coffee items. And they were having they were stocked with coffee. So today I'm going to share my HomeGoods coffee haul because yes, we love Nespresso here on the channel, and I know most of you watch for an espresso, but I know not everyone has an espresso machine. Not everyone necessarily likes only Nespresso coffee. Hello, we like variety. So I'm going to share with you my HomeGoods coffee haul and let you know what kind of coffee deals are out there, because not only do we love coffee, but we also love deals, and I hope you do. So stick around. Okay, friends, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Like our videos. It helps our channel grow and get our videos out there to other coffee lovers. So subscribe, hit the notification, and if you enjoy these videos, give us a thumbs up. Okay, so like I said, I went to HomeGoods. I walked in the coffee, the food section aisle, and this one had like a lot. TJ Maxx has some of the same items, and so does Marshalls, but HomeGoods always seems to have the most. So I walked in there, and then I saw a lot of little clearance red tags, and it got me even more excited. So here's my coffee haul from HomeGoods. The first coffee I found is Joffrey's Coffee and Tea Company, which is Disney Specialty Coffee Collection. Basically, this brand, Joffrey's, is the official coffee that they serve at Walt Disney World, Disneyland, and I don't know about the other countries, but here in the US, if you go to a Disney resort, Disneyland hotel, Disneyland theme park, you're going to get Joffrey's. Unless you go to Starbucks inside of Disneyland, but that's a whole nother story. Anyways, Joffrey's Coffee. I have never tried this coffee. I've seen it online and I've seen it in some stores, but now it's showing up at HomeGoods. This is the French Bistro Blend. And if you buy it online, the 11 ounce is $10.99 online. The regular HomeGoods price is, I don't know if you can see that, $6.99, but I bought it for $5. So I think that's a pretty good deal. I've heard good things about this coffee. Joffrey's, this is the French Bistro Blend. They had a couple other ones. This is the one that was marked out on clearance. And I thought, oh, it's probably old or about to expire or the best by date. But no, 3/22/22. So this is still really good for a long time. Brown coffee, 11 ounces, French Bistro Blend, full-bodied with smoky sweetness. I'm excited to try it out. I haven't tasted it yet. So you could buy it online, and I'm not sure where else they sell it, but online for sure, and obviously at Disneyland parks, Disneyland, Walt Disney World, and Disneyland. You can buy Joffrey's coffee. So if you've ever tried this coffee, leave me a comment. Let me know. Like I said, I was excited to see it there. And for $5 for 11 ounces, not bad at all. Okay. The next coffee is one of my favorites that I've been buying for a long time. They don't always have it there, but I have bought it at HomeGoods before. It's Illy coffee. This is Illy Classico, 100% Arabica, and this is ground coffee. And Illy coffee is Italian, and it comes in these cute little tin cans. This is only 4.4 ounces, and on the Illy website, it sells for $7.50. And I actually bought some of this the last time I went to HomeGoods for $5.49. So yeah, this coffee is pricey. It's Italian, it's imported, all that stuff. So $5.49 for the 4.4 ounces. But when I went just the other day, they had clearance. They had some on the clearance for $4. I don't know if you guys could see that. $4. So not bad. I picked it up. Like I said, it's one of my favorite. It's Mr. Cafecito's favorite. We've been trying to give the Nespresso machines a little break because we've been using them 2-3 times a day, nonstop for about a year now. So we're like, okay, let's give them a break. And we've been making coffee in the pour over and in the other coffee machine. So Illy, if you want to try Illy, go to HomeGoods, check it out. Sometimes they have the ground coffee, but for the most part, you'll find the classic. And this, you can make it in a French press, mocha pot, regular drip coffee maker. I've even made it in the pour over. Very, very good. This is like one of my favorite coffees. If I only had to pick one coffee to drink all the time, it'd probably be Illy, would probably be in the top 3. So for $4, not bad. And it's quite expensive because on the website, the 8-ounce can is $14.99. So if you could ever find it on clearance or for these deals, pick it up for sure. Another one I found, which I have seen before, but it didn't really pique my interest until I saw it on the clearance section. Are you the same way? Do you buy stuff sometimes because it's on sale? Like, I wouldn't have paid full price for this. Just being honest, would not. And wait till I tell you what the full price is. So I saw this at HomeGoods. I had seen it before. Fresh brewed ground coffee cans. So Starbucks came out with these little cans of coffee. It's just Starbucks coffee, but it comes in these little cans. I've seen them at Target. I've seen them at other stores. At Target, it retails, so you get 8 cans of coffee, and each one makes half a pot of coffee. So between 4 to 6 ounces of coffee, depending on how you like your coffee. At Target, these retail for $11.99 for the box. So you get 8 1.3 ounce coffee cans for a total of 10.4 ounces. That's a little pricey. But I didn't pay $11.99. I paid $3. So this one is like about to expire. The best by date is this year, like in a month. But that's okay. We all know as long as coffee is sealed, it'll still be good for longer. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I already used it. I'll show you here. If I can take it out. So basically it comes in these little cans, and this is the breakfast blend. They have different blends. So I don't know if they're being discontinued or whatever, but usually when you see stuff at like HomeGoods and some of those places, sometimes it's because they're changing the packaging, so they want to get rid of the old packaging. Sometimes the product's being discontinued. Sometimes they're overstocked. There's so many reasons why it ends up there, but Okay, so this is what it looks like. And it says here, empty container into your drip filter. And this makes up to 4 or 6 cups of coffee. So I guess these are good for travel. If you want to travel, you're traveling, you want to make your own coffee in the hotel. Camping, these would probably be good for people who go camping. So it's vacuum sealed. And I'll show you, I saved the can. I already used it. You just pop the lid and then you have your coffee. So I thought that was pretty cool, pretty cute. For $3, I said, let's give it a try. So yeah, it was pretty good. I made some yesterday. It was easy to make. Yeah, see, July 15, 2021. So today is July 6th. So in about 9 days, this is going to expire. But like I said, this coffee will still be good for much longer. So yeah, make sure you check out the coffee aisle at the HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. You'll find some good deals. I've seen a bunch of coffees that I know are, you can't find just anywhere, like Joffrey's. I can't go into Target, Walmart, or the grocery store and buy it, at least not where I live. So it's good to find these coffees. Illy, you can find it at like Target, but this can would be like $8 at Target. So $4. Even the regular price of $5.49 is not bad. This one, I don't know. Let's see how much it would cost. The regular HomeGoods price. Regular HomeGoods price is $4.99. So not bad, about $2 savings. Oh, and just so you know, this is empty lid. Oh, you could recycle. The Starbucks is recyclable. So that's it. I just wanted to share with you guys my haul, my coffee haul from HomeGoods. Let me know if you've ever shopped for coffee at HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. Let me know what deals you have found. I'm excited that I'm going back out shopping and finding these deals. So make sure, like I said, if you like these videos, give us a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know. Like I said, if you shop at HomeGoods and buy your coffee there, if you have found any other good deals on coffee, let me know so I could go check it out. And also, don't forget to go watch my Cafecito adventures and show those videos some love. Like I said, I'm going to start going out to some local coffee shops and just featuring them and just, you know, showing you what's out there besides making coffee at home. I know we love making coffee at home, especially during the pandemic. That was like, these machines were a lifesaver for me. But now things are opening up, so now it's time to get back out in the real world. So thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate everyone's comments, everyone subscribing. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been watching my channel now for a while, thank you. I appreciate it. You know, I appreciate the thumbs up, the subscribers, the comments, everything. You guys have been really, really wonderful. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with some more Cafecito. See you. Bye.